For today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how do I curl my hair using a medium curling iron. You'll be needing, of course, medium-sized curling iron, comb, and a clip. First thing that you need to do is to comb your hair. I don't really use a brush ever since I dyed my hair blonde. So after that, start sectioning your hair into half. I get the first half of my left side of my hair. Let's make it thicker. Okay. Right after that. And then let's get the clamp. Let's put it right there. Okay, so first get a portion of your hair at the back and then get your curling iron and start curling it like this. This is how I curl it. There we go. This is just a loose beach waves. Then once again, get another portion and curl it again in that position. I don't really curl the very end of my hair because I like it to have a somehow straight line at the bottom. Okay, so the trick here, guys, is you would want to curl your hair with big spaces like this for you to achieve that loose beach wave curl. So again, you don't curl it up to the end, then you'll get a somehow big wavy curl. And yeah, you just do that curl the rest of your hair. So let's go. Okay, so as you guys can see, we're done on the left portion of my hair, and we're just gonna do the same trick or the same curling position on the right portion of my hair. Look at the length difference. Okay guys, so I'm almost done curling my entire hair. I forgot to tell you this one tip that I do. You leave a 3 to 4 inches, then that's where you start curling your hair. On the right portion of my hair, I curl outwards of the curling iron. And then I leave it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then voila. So you don't want to leave your hair in the curling iron for too long because it might not have that big curls that we are achieving. Last two. Outwards. Then you count 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you leave it like that. And then one last time. 3 to 4 inches. Then you curl outwards. Make sure you have that spaces. Then you count 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Voila. So we are done with our beach wave curls. And then right after that, what I do is I just pull it using my hands. And then you do the same thing. The right portion of your hair. You can also use your comb if you want. So that is it for this video. I hope that I was able to help you guys out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this video. Comment down below on what videos you guys want to watch next. So that is all. Bye guys!